As the world grapples with climate change, food security, health crisis, and evolving business landscape, it is clear that sustainable practices and cutting-edge technologies must work hand in hand. We are living in a time of unprecedented change, from precision agriculture that optimizes crop yield with minimal wastage to telemedicine expanding access to healthcare, from solar panel powering communities to business model prioritizing both profit and planet. Technology is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity for building a more sustainable future. Conferences such as this are not just academic exercises. They are catalysts for change. They create a platform for interdisciplinary collaboration, where diverse expertise converge to generate solutions that no single field of study could achieve alone. Agriculture can borrow from digital technology. Health can integrate renewable energy innovation, and business can be redefined by sustainability-driven models. This synergy is the essence of progress. Over the next 2 days, our goal is simple: to inspire and equip each of you to be a part of this transformation. Let us explore how we can leverage these emerging technologies to create a healthier, more equitable, and more sustainable world for generations to come.